Good afternoon guys, welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. Today the boys have been working on this 2024 California Ocean. So a very expensive, well-spec'd vehicle and even with the factory headlights, but this customer wanted more and better lighting. So he's gone for the Lazer Lights Elite setup. Comes with a grille integration kit. The T6.1s are a lot more involved than the T6s, and as we're still learning, there are various different bumper designs and shapes and everything else. Plus this particular one has got some chrome add-on trims on that front grille, so you have to be very careful because this kind of plastic will just shatter or split. The grille integration kit means that the lasers sit really beautifully and seamlessly within the grille, and then the wiring gets routed through the bulkhead into the vehicle. Because the T6.1s are very much data related or data connected, we can't just pick up a feed from the headlight as you can with some other makes and models. So we have to use a CAN bus interface, which is a little gizmo that talks data to pick up for the high beam signal. Now the Lazer Light Elite is the most expensive out of the three laser models. We're using the Triple-R 750s, and the Elite has the widest and the longest light output. No position lights or marker lights or daytime driving lights, so they are physically only on when you're flashing or when you're pushing your stalk high beam forward. But as I said, the Elite has got the longest and widest throw. If you are interested in a product like this, then go onto our website, because on the Lazer web listing for the T6.1 and T6, we've made our own comparison, and that then shows the prices supplied and fitted, as well as the light output in terms of width and height and length as well. So the Elite seems to be now the most popular model that we seem to be fitting, because if you're going to spend this kind of money, you want the best. It's over £1,000, so if you are going to spend that money, why go for something else? And of course, a lot of the models, well, I say that the standard model has the position lights or daytime running lights, but why would you need that when you've got those built into the headlight anyway? Now, I'm just going to get one of my glamorous assistants to jump inside the vehicle and just show us the system working. If I think this vehicle has come from factory already with auto light switch, that would be a sensor up in the windscreen like so. So as soon as you put the ignition on, you're already going to get certain lights coming on because of the light in here, although we have got all of our LED lights. So now if Richard was to flash somebody to let them go, then the Elites will come on and go on and off as well as they do with the headlights. But if he pushes the stalk forward, the Elites will then come on and stay on for as long as you want. Built-in heat sinks into these, so they don't get hot. Well, they run hot because they're lighting, but because they're LED as well, they've got their own heat sinks in there, which will then dissipate the heat. So you can do as much as you want with these. They are designed for heavy-duty, rugged use. And that's it. So if he turns the lights off, that's it, and of course they're then ignition controlled or data controlled. So this is a 2024 T6.1 California Ocean with the Lazer Light grille integration kit with the Elite Triple-R 750s. Website links in the bio. If you really are after a set of these for your van or anything you drive, Fiat, Mercedes, whatever, then please do get in touch with us, and thank you for watching.